Comments enhance the readability of our code, and it helps programmers understand our code, and it helps us get re-familiar with our code if we have to go back and look at it at a future date. So to write a comment in Python, you simply put a hash mark in front of the desired comment. Python ignores everything after the hash mark and up to the end of the line. You can insert them anywhere in your code, even in line with text. Comments should be short, sweet, and to the point. The Python style guide advises keeping code at 79 characters or fewer per line. If your comment is approaching or exceeding that length, then you'll want to spread it out over multiple lines. There are two simple ways to create multi-line code. The first way is simply by pressing the return key after each line and adding a new hash mark. Each line that starts with a hash mark will be ignored by the program. Another thing you can do is use multi-line strings by wrapping your comment inside a set of triple quotes. While this gives you multi-line functionality, it isn't technically a comment. It's a string that's not assigned to any variable, so it's not called or referenced by your program. Learning how to comment well is a valuable tool. Not only will you learn how to write more clearly and concisely in general, but you'll no doubt gain a deeper understanding of Python as well. Here's to happy commenting.